What are your favorites? If you have, can you enumerate your favorite treatments that you usually take or, go through?
Well, dalawa lang naman yung halos lagi kong binubook na service sa kanila. It's the traditional Balinese massage and Thai yoga. Kasi when it comes to Balinese massage, talagang, syempre sa work namin, laging may taping po yan, and yung mga ilaw, tapos yung rehearsal or workshop, nakakain siya ng tension. So, madalas pa naman ay mga unwanted stress, like kahit sa taping traffic pa lang, pagdating mo sa work, talagang medyo you feel burnout na. So, but when I feel that way, I always go to Blue Water Days pa, mag-Balinese traditional Balinese massage ako, and yun, I feel good and I feel more relaxed and calm after. And syempre, alam naman ng mga tao, especially sa mga naka-follow sa akin sa social media, lagi ako nakikita nag-workout ako. I always do workout, lagi ako may mga activities like workout. So, yun, pag masakit na yung katawan ko rin, nag-burnout na yung muscles ko, nagtatayo yoga ako kasi it stretches my body and it balances my body and also yung blood circulation ko. So definitely, doon, okay na ulit yung katawan ko. I'm ready for another week. I'm ready to face other challenges, activities, and definitely, isa sa paborito ko after tayo, guys, yung masarap yung feeling ko.
Where is your go-to place whenever you need a little me time? So in the Philippines, we call it me time.
It's very good questions. But the first, I like when I have a rest time, I like the natural, like something noise and quiet place. So, and also my staff like the quiet place too, because so I usually go to like massage something and relax my body, and I went to the quiet place, and so I usually go to massage.